Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Supabase React. Today we are going to solve one of the issue, that is Supabase auth.session is not a function. Okay, so we have to solve this issue. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the documentation it is changed. So for you are using Supabase auth.session, we have to comment this is not required. Now the new one is this one: const data session await supabase auth.getSession. For this one you will get the session, right? So let's get the session from here. Another one, we have to go with the use auth. Same we have to do with this one, so we do require in the get session. Okay, so auth.getSession. Let's have a look. Here you can see that the error is resolved and I'm currently logged in with that account. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.